Pardon the interruption. It has been almost a month since we replaced the AC compressor. And my friend Gilbert suggested to add a video using a thermometer to show the temperature coming out of the AC vents. It is completely understandable to be skeptical, since there's no way to show cold air on camera. So on the dash, here's the outside temperature, 88 degrees. And I have the thermometer here that I borrowed from Gilbert. It's almost at 90. And we're gonna turn on the AC. Gonna put it halfway. And I'm gonna try to get rid of the glare. Hopefully it shows good on camera, the thermometer. And as you can see, the temperature is going down. Boy, that is going down real fast. And as you can see, it is going under 60, even though our temperature only goes to 60 degrees. That is very amazing. Okay, so I'm hoping that's enough proof that the AC compressor is still working after almost a month. And now let's go back to our regular programming.